Hello everyone, today we will be talking about the quick high-level overview of network security fundamentals, the spring course that we are running at TXCC Community College. So we are going to cover the course description, the instructor information, giving you some idea of the topics that we are going to discuss during the entire semester for network security, and then we are going to jump into the course map, which is an outline of the steps that we are going to follow to study the material that is part of network security fundamentals. So first, I am the cyber professor, so that is why you see the icon here for Let's Talk Cybersecurity. Join the discussion. The course description is pretty much you will learn basic elements of information security, specifically the types of attacks that are launched against networks and computer systems, and how to select and implement security controls to protect against those attacks. So the topical outline that we are going to follow for this course is we are going to cover security and its threats, cryptography, network attacks and defenses, device security, identity and access management, and finally risk management. Risk management will be a high-level overview of risk management because there is another course that we are hopefully going to run in the fall of this year, which is information assurance and risk management, and that goes much deeper into risk management. Communication tools for this course are the following. Office 365, that is your TXCC college email. You will need to access that via the browser on your computer. If you are accessing your browser, this is the view that you're going to get. Of course, I customized mine to be a black theme, and that is why you see the black background on my browser for my TXCC email account. You can access Microsoft Teams from this menu that I just clicked on. You can open Microsoft Teams as a new window in your browser by right-clicking on Teams and then selecting Open in New Tab. So that is going to open Teams on a new tab similar to what I have here to my right. And this is Microsoft Teams. Important for you guys to know, for the people that know me already, you guys are well aware that I have Microsoft Teams installed on my mobile device. So that is the best way to reach me. Quick chat message will be the way to reach me. So all you need to do is just click on chat and then look for my name. You can look me up by typing Gonzalez with an S at the end and then Jorge, and that will bring you to Gonzalez Jorge L, and that's the person that you're going to communicate with. That is me, your professor. So that is the way to reach me quickly. Of course, if I am in a meeting, if I am talking to another student, if I am doing a recording, if I am running a class, I'm not going to get back to you right away, but that is the best way to get in communications with me. WebEx is another communication tool that we are going to use. You will be able to access WebEx from your desktop or laptop if you install the application, the software application similar to this Cisco WebEx meetings. All you need to do is download it from the internet, and then you're going to log into WebEx by using your TXCC credentials, the same ones that you use to access your email, or the same ones that you use to access Blackboard and so forth. So same credentials to access Cisco WebEx. You can also download that on your mobile devices, and you will be able to, if I show you my mobile device, for example, I have Microsoft Teams installed on my mobile device. I also have WebEx, if I remember well. Yep, it is here. So this is WebEx meetings, or in my case, I have this as well, which is WebEx Teams. So there are two options for WebEx. WebEx Meetings is the only one that you actually need. All you need to do is download it on your mobile device and then log in using your TXCC credentials. Again, this is from your mobile device. And then Microsoft Teams is right here. You will be able to do the same. The option that you want to select is chats. And again, chats will give you the option to communicate with me right away. Then let's see, going back to the communication tools, optional for this course, YouTube, Discord, and Twitch. I may be able to communicate with the class using Discord if we create a group. I will also I may use Twitch for some of the material that I am going to teach in the class. I am also planning on conducting technology presentations on Twitch for not only for TXCC students, but in general. So if you want to join those sessions as well, that would be great. For YouTube videos, you will be able to get the links that I will be sending out. Again, I go by Cyber Professor, so the material for this type of topics that we are going to discuss will be posted on that YouTube channel. Course outcomes: the understanding of security and its threats, understanding the use of cryptography, implementing basic security defenses. The more advanced are going to be taught in other courses that I am planning to teach at TXCC starting in the fall. Configure device security, implement basic identity and access management. That is what IAM stands for. Identity and access management controls, and implementing basic risk management. The grading for the course goes as this, participation 20%, midterm and final exam 30%, and then weekly assignments and labs, this is the important piece, 50%. So for this course, Network Security Fundamentals, make sure that you access the MindTap exercises and lab environment that will be used for this course, and make sure that you are up to date with all the assignments that I will be posting for you. For the first week, I am giving you an extra few days because of all the issues that system-wide, not only for TXCC but across the state of Connecticut, all the different colleges have had with Blackboard. So because of all the Blackboard issues, I'm giving an extra few days to get the first assignments completed. But after that, I'm looking forward to you completing all the assignments on time. And you guys, for the people that know me, you guys know that I give the assignments on a weekly basis, so I'm expecting for you guys to be done by Sunday night at the latest, and then on Monday morning you get the next set of assignments for the following week, and that goes week by week. All the information as far as the assignments will be posted on Blackboard, so you will have a one-place command center type of approach in which you're going to find all the information. My contact information is right here, my full name with an S at the end for Gonzalez, so make sure that you use that if you want to find me in the email system or Microsoft Teams. My phone number is right here, and the best way to contact me again is Microsoft Teams. If you want quick answers, Microsoft Teams is the best way to do it. I typically get back to you within 48 hours at the maximum. Most likely, if you send it to me via Microsoft Teams, it will be within a few hours. Office hours are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. Just make sure that if you are working during the day, or if you have classes or other commitments during the day and you need to speak with me, just make sure that you set up an appointment for later in the afternoon or in the evening, and we can find a good time for both of us. These are some of the concepts that we are going to cover during this course. Again, I am the Cyber Professor. This is me. This is not a PowerPoint that you will find in any other place. This is actually created by me. So all the security controls that we are going to cover for information security in this class. The first one, data protection. We are protecting information in the form of data that is used by organizations that we are planning to support in the future. And the way to do it is For this course, we are going to learn cryptography. And again, it will be the basic, but that is going to give you a quick understanding of how cryptography works. So that's key number one. Key number two, network security. We're going to talk about devices, network devices, and the design of network devices and how those two components are important for the security of the overall network infrastructure. That's the second key. Next, we are going to talk about device security. By device, I mean client systems, laptops, desktop, mobile devices, VMs or virtual machines, and how security is applied to them. That's the key number three. And key number four is credentials. In order to access a system, you need to identify yourself before access is granted. So that is called identity access management. And we are going to cover the basics of identity access management during this course. This is the quick course map for what we are going to cover in network security fundamentals in the spring. First, we are going to use the first few days, first week maybe, talking about security and its threats. Then we are going to move quickly to cryptography. We have a couple of weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks, talking about cryptography. Then we are going to jump onto network attacks and defenses, how to protect against those network attacks that are more common in the corporate environment, in the government environment nowadays. Device security, again, we are specifically talking about the type of devices that you find in the workplace, for example, desktops, laptops, mobile devices. Then we are going to go into identity and access management, how we are going to use some of those security controls to prevent unauthorized access to systems. And finally, risk management, kind of making an assessment on how risky our company or how much risk our company carries by not having or having security controls that we may have missed implementing or may have already implemented in our company. So how those security controls change the level of risk that our company has as far as being exposed to cybersecurity attacks. So that will be the summary for our course, Network Security Fundamentals. Very good course for you guys to take this semester. In the fall, we will be having, as long as I have you with me, information assurance and risk management. That is another course that I want to teach at TXCC. We are also going to be offering the ethical hacking course, and that will be offered hopefully in the summer and also in the fall. And ethical hacking 1 is the first course in ethical hacking, more about concepts of ethical hacking, how to do penetration testing, and then there will be a second course for ethical hacking. So that will be ethical hacking number 2, and that will be more into hands-on, trying to do some hacking of systems. And it is called ethical because it is conducted with the permission of the company that is hiring you to do the hacking for them. And the reason why they hire you to do that is to make sure that you pretend to be a hacker, a bad one, and the company is looking for you to provide a report on what their gaps in security are and how much damage a hacker can do to their company and to their data if they are successful in breaching the security controls that they may have put in place. So it's kind of a test. They are hiring you to conduct a test of the security of their systems and for them to know how exposed they are to cybersecurity attacks. And they pay good money for that. So either if you're working for them full time or if you're doing that as a consultant or a vendor, they pay pretty good money for doing that because that gives them an understanding on how exposed they are to cybersecurity attacks. So again, this is Network Security Fundamentals, is the basic course for network security. So pretty good way to start. Excited to have you.